Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Epic Games error LS-0018 Fall Guys. To start, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. In the window, select the Epic Games Launcher process. Click End Task. After this, in the search box, enter %app data %. Click on File folder. In your browser, go to App Data, open the local folder. After that, open the Epic Games Launcher folder and access the saved folder. Next, select the web cache folder. Click Delete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.